Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Coach on your watch. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Navigate to Training, then Training Plans, and select Garmin Coach. You'll choose your running goal, like a 5-kilometer, 10-kilometer, or half marathon. The app prompts you to select a coach and set your target race date. Plans typically range from 6 to 26 weeks. Once configured, your personalized training plan automatically syncs to your compatible Garmin watch, ready for your first session. Garmin Coach offers 3 expert coaches: Jeff Galloway, Amy Parkerson-Mitchell, and Greg McMillan. Each brings a distinct training philosophy, from run-walk-run strategies to performance-focused approaches. Consider your experience and preferences when making your choice. The plans are designed to be adaptive, meaning they adjust based on your performance and feedback, ensuring a personalized journey towards your 5-kilometer, 10-kilometer, or half-marathon goal. This flexibility helps you stay on track. Once your plan is synced, your daily workouts appear directly on your Garmin watch. Simply select the workout and press Start to begin. Your watch will provide clear, real-time guidance, including pace targets, heart rate zones, and interval instructions. For example, it might prompt you to run for 2 minutes at a specific pace, then walk for 1 minute. If you need to adjust or skip a session, the coach will adapt your future workouts to keep you progressing effectively towards your goal. Garmin Coach is designed to be dynamic, constantly monitoring your performance after every workout. It uses this data, along with any feedback you provide, to adapt your upcoming training sessions. For instance, if you consistently exceed your pace targets, the plan might subtly increase the intensity. Conversely, if you struggle, it may suggest easier sessions. This adaptive nature ensures your plan remains challenging yet achievable, helping you build fitness safely and effectively towards your chosen race distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.